So you might be thinking, why am I wearing a Santa Claus hat, right? It's kind of crazy. It's still summertime outside. Well, one thing that you should understand is this might be the first Christmas where you actually get paid more than what you have to spend out. Christmas season is coming, the holiday season is coming, and I know it's still a few months away for many people. Like my girlfriend, she's already thinking about Halloween. I'm like, what are you even talking about Halloween for? We're still in like September, August. What's going on? We're still in the summertime. I don't want to think about any of that stuff. But for the people who want to make more money in the holiday season than what they're spending, in this case, this message is for you. Because getting a CDL license is definitely a great way to make sure that you become as valuable as possible all year round, and especially during the holiday season. Holiday season, we all know what happens. Stores have to stock up on a whole bunch of stuff because everyday customers will start spending more money for gifts for each other. That being said, now things are starting to pick up in the actual trucking industry, and they're going to continue to pick up until the end of the year because now people have to start overstocking everything to make sure that the supplies keep running. So, if that being said, right now is probably the best time to actually get your whole thing started, because if you actually get started today, what's going to happen is by the time you actually get your license, we can actually have you working before the end of the year, and you can get a whiff of that Christmas money or that holiday money coming in. Because all the trucking companies out there are going to be dying for drivers, just as it happens every single year. If you just understand the patterns, now you know exactly when to get in. So if you've been thinking about it for a while and you don't really know, hey, should I do it, should I not? All these people are saying, well, trucking is dead out there. They can't make as much money as you used to. They are all done, right? Just listen to me. I'm wearing a Santa Claus hat. That should count for something. It is getting pretty hot and over here. But if you want to make sure that this Christmas you become the Santa Claus for many people and you help transport these gifts, these toys, this cargo from point A to point B, and make sure that you're riding this wave as big and as profitable as possible, the best thing to do is do this two-step process. Step number one, to get your CDL license, get yourself a CDL permit. And if you don't know how, we can help you out. We're the best truck driving school in the entire country. We're open up 7 days a week. We offer lifetime job placement as well. And all you need to get started is $500 down, and we can work out a payment plan for the rest. So it's super simple process to get through. After you get yourself a CDL permit, then we got to get you ready to pass a CDL road test. Now the road test itself is going to be a pretty long test. It's not an easy test to pass, but that's why we're here to guide you through this entire process and help you out during this journey. So if you need any questions whatsoever, you can check out our website for more information, cdldrivingacademy.com. Find a location that's near you, or you can also just give our office a call, 908-525-3609. Thanks, and have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.